Right there. Press that trigger on the gun. I'm sending them a video of it. Nothing, is there?
No.
Pump's working, it's working there, but you can hear it going. It just won't do now, will it?
Not a thing.
Yeah, as soon as you put the air one on. Yeah. That works. Just that one. And the light works.
Yeah, light was on.
Yeah. It's just a water pump.
Yeah, definitely not working. Definitely wrong somewhere.
Yeah. Right, you want to keep that, Joe?
The dog in?
Yeah.
Oh.
Get under! It'll come in handy, this lead, won't it?
Oh yeah.
Get under, you!
She done.
Pooed down there.
Oh, you dead to the sod.
That's what took me so long to get back out. I had to clean it up. Get under! Go! Go on!
You do as you're told.
Get under! Quite heavy, that.
Yeah. This one will just got.
Yeah.
Anything?
It's always handy if you want to put an extension in the boot of your car or something. You know?
Yeah.
Be ideal for the likes of you if you were putting a camera in a boot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Want a cold drink, mate?
Yeah, might as well. Not going home yet.
Yeah, so you read that manual tips if you can find anything else.
Using any? That's it.